Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a super easy way that you can block websites in Firefox for Linux. Open Firefox. Click on the extensions icon in the top right hand corner. It looks like a puzzle piece. Go to extensions, and in the search box beside find more add-ons, you're going to type website, W-E-B-S-I-T-E, space blocker, B-L-O-C-K-E-R, and then press enter. Alright, so we're going to go with the first one. Now, of course, you can use any website blocker that you want to use, but I'm using this one by Wesley Branton. Click Add to Firefox. Add website blocker, required permissions, access your data for all websites. Optional settings, allow extensions to run in private windows. Now it's up to you if you want it to run in private windows or not. I'm going to check it off and then click Add. Website blocker was added. Update permissions and data preference at any time in the extension settings. Pin extension to toolbar. I'm not going to bother with that, and I'm just going to click OK. Now, as you can see, this is very easy to use. We have details, preferences, and then permissions and data. To add a website to the blocked websites list, all you have to do is click Add under Preferences. Select the type of filter. It's currently set to block domain by default, but you can also select block domain and all subdomains, block a specific page, or fully custom advanced only. I'm going to block domain and all subdomains. Now type your filter rule, which would be the website. So I'm going to type in Poki, P-O-K-I.com. Now click Add. And then we have advanced options. Show error on blocked websites. Yes or no? I'm going to leave it on yes. Now close Firefox. Now that you've closed Firefox, we're going to open it again. And I'm going to try the website. And press enter. See, website blocked. So that is a super easy way that you can block websites in Firefox for Linux. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.